So I'm sure I've seen me turning 100 USD into 1000 USD because of this Solana meme coin trend that has been going on around, and that is all possible because we buy these coins as early as possible when they launch. And this is very risky because if you're a beginner, you may not know which coins to buy and you may not know which information to look at before you buy a coin. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can claim free tokens, airdrop on Get.io, and get tokens as early as possible. And this is good because you're gonna get these tokens for free, plus you're gonna avoid unnecessary risk. I'm talking about buying coins on decentralized exchanges and then get scammed and stuff like that. But on Get.io, you're gonna get tokens for free, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can claim these tokens in this video on Get.io straight to your wallet. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Arthur, and on this channel I will turn you into the blockchain master. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So if you don't know what an airdrop is, well, this is a marketing strategy that involves sending cryptocurrencies to wallet addresses to promote awareness of a token. So basically, if there's a new project preparing to launch and stuff like that, they send new coins to to the community and stuff like that for free. You know what I mean? So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can be able to participate in these projects and get free tokens every day on Get.io. So if you don't have an account on Get.io, make sure you create an account using the link in the description below as well. And once you do that, you're going to have to fund some capital in your account on Get.io. Make sure you deposit more than 10 USD to be able to participate or get free airdrops and stuff like that on Get.io. So what you want to do is go to where it's written launch, where there's fire, because this is actually fire, because you get these tokens as early as possible, and they pump to the upside, and you also make some money out of these airdrops and new tokens. You know what I mean? So you go to where it's written launch and click start up. You know what I mean? And this is only a crypto exchange that I've seen so far choosing good projects that might actually become big in the future and stuff like that. So you go to where it's written startup, and it's going to take you to token launch dashboard. You know what I mean? So this is where you can be able to participate in airdrops and choose any token that you want to participate in and stuff like that. And you can see that these are all finished airdrops, and you can also go through them and stuff like that. So if you're subscribed to the channel, or if you're in my Telegram group, you already know that we've been trading these coins on decentralized exchange and stuff like that. And we got in early because I saw an ad on Get.io saying that they're gonna list the Boss Club Wolf and stuff like that. So I decided to buy it and stake some Get.io tokens on Get.io to get the coins as well. So right here, you can see all the coins that are in progress, and you can take advantage of these coins as well. For example, you can see that right here, we have got this coin called WNE, and this is actually one of the hottest projects that I have been paying attention to because they have a great community and stuff like that. And right now, they're gonna be listed on Get.io. Know what I mean? So what you wanna do is you're gonna need some Get.io tokens, at least worth 10 USD. Know what I mean? So you're gonna need Get.io tokens, and to buy Get.io tokens, you can buy them right here on Get.io crypto exchange, and you're gonna go to where it's written hold Get.io and claim free tokens. You know what I mean? So you're gonna go and click like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. So for you to participate, you need to verify your account and finish the KYC and stuff like that, and buy some Get.io tokens, or you can just deposit and stuff like that. And once you buy, you're just gonna subscribe, and once the project is launched, you're gonna get free tokens plus your Get.io tokens that you subscribed and stuff like that. So this is how exactly you can claim free airdrops on Get.io for free. All you have to do is just to hold Get.io tokens and get free tokens on Get.io using airdrop. So this is actually a safe way to get free tokens, and it's actually legit because you are guaranteed that you're not going to get scammed and stuff like that. If you trade on decentralized crypto exchange, you don't really know which project is legit and stuff like that. But on Get.io, you are only offered with legit projects that might actually make you a lot of money and stuff like that. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. You're already helping the channel, and the link to Get.io is going to be in the description below as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I'm signing out. Therefore, I'll end the video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.